Hello everyone, my name is Rutuja Tavre. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will share information about a sandwich maker. Okay, this is from Concord. So I ordered it from Amazon before 3 days. So I'll give this link in the description box. You can also buy it from a Flipkart or Paytm. It having different prices on different platforms. So I'll give this link in the description box. Do check that. So we will first unbox it. I'm so excited to unbox it because I just love to unbox. This is the invoice and bill, you can see. So this is the main box where a sandwich maker is there. See, they have a nice packing. We have mentioned few features here. We'll see that in depth. Let's open it. Yes, it looks perfect. See, they have given a few features and description on it. Concord it is. So this is a Concord Sandwich Maker, or you can see, because it's having grill functionality. So this box contains three parts, three things in it. First is the sandwich maker, sandwich grill. Then the deep drain tray for excess oil. You can collect it, the excess oil in this. And there is user manual. So this is very helpful when you are using it first time. So we'll not go in depth for this. So we'll keep it aside. So I ordered it from Amazon and I read from before 3 days, I think. Yes, 3 days, and they have delivered it with no contact. So this is the best thing, because we are going through a pandemic, and Amazon is giving safety for their customers. This is important. So this is a sandwich maker. It having two important things: tray and the sandwich maker. I got 1 year warranty for this product. So the manufacturer of this product is Sham and Cooperative Cells. So people have given 4 stars for this product, but I really loved it, so I might give more stars. So we'll see exactly what are the features. So now we will see features of this product. This is 1 kilowatt 240 volt sandwich maker. It costs around 1499 rupees to me. The sandwich maker has automatic temperature control. It having the red and green light, so the temperature is controlled automatically. This, you can see this flip is opening 90 degree at start, but I'll say it opens till 180 degree. It having lock and open feature. You can go to open and keep it pressed and then open it. It will open fully as 360 degree. So there is no chance. Oh yes, sorry. This is not 360. This is 180 degree open. So you can see it's opening fully. So you can grill it at one side and later on another side. So you can do it by open grill on both sides. So this is so convenient, because whenever we are grilling anything, there is a chance that we can burn our hand. Okay, this won't happen with this sandwich maker, I think so, because I have not used it yet, but this feature says the same thing. So let's see then what's more thing about this. The main thing about this product I love the most is this tray. This tray is for excess oil, and when we grill, we can simply keep it aside to let the excess oil flow and collect in this tray. So this is very important when you are grilling. If there is excess oil in your food, in your fish, or any food you are grilling, it will just collect all the oil and it will come in this tray. Now another thing is this non-stick plate, as you are seeing. So this plate is also deep drip, like its grills are at upwards and main plate is at downwards, so it really grilled the food very good. So this plate, the whole plate, is about 23.1 into 14.6 centimeters. This having cool touch safe handle. So it having cool touch safe handle. When you just keep it closed, when you open it, it won't harm you. Okay, this is a cool touch safe handle. Also it having power on and off buttons, and also its ready lights are there, so it indicates that your food is ready or not, it grilled or not. So you can check out the green light when it's done, and red light is on, it means it's still going on, still grilling. So this is about this wire is about 1.5 meters long and having 3-pin Indian plug. So this is best for our usual plugs. Okay, so this look wise it's very good actually. This body is good as per the quality, as per the price. This is average, so you can check it. And it is in dual color, the silver and black. This looks elegant. The look wise it's very good. I'll say 4.5 for look wise, and the body is good. I'll give 3.5 for this body, but the price is also like cheap. It's not so too costly, so this is okay. And the main thing about this product is when you are done with this grilling, if you wanted to clean these plates, you can simply use foam or any cloth to clean, because this is a non-stick plate. You don't have to scratch it. Don't scrub it, don't scratch it. Just open and use foam or use cloth to clean it. You can simply wipe it. The oil will excess oil will be already in the tray, so it won't be so oily. Just clean it with the cloth. That's it. Also, weight wise, it's not too heavy. It's about 980 grams in weight. I have checked the features in the manual also. So this sandwich maker is perfect for meat. You can grill fishes, also cutlets, or the usual sandwiches. Or if you wanted to grill bread in it, that will be the best. Okay. So I hope this video helps you when you are doing shopping, when you are choosing your best sandwich maker. So if you find this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe. Also let me in the comment section how this video is helping you. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye for now. Have a great time, and main important thing, stay foodie.